Hello, Kajimmer Tatu. Last time we looked at some basic greetings, but if you've forgotten or if you missed programme 1, don't worry, they'll crop up time and time again. In this programme we're going to show you how to cope with introductions and how to ask someone's name. Hello, Kajimmer Tatu.
Go mai.
Is Misha Dervlin you Karin?
Tá fáilte rót. Is mis Noreen Hanlon, fan bommetje.
Introducing yourself in Irish is fairly simple, as you see. There isn't much to say. All you have to do is put is Misha or Misha before your name. Here are some people telling us their names.
Misha Moirad niet Nielish.
Misha Donald McGillarija.
Is Misha Mairead Newell Heron.
Is Misha Diana Xivnia.
Is Misha Anya Nicoli.
Have another listen.
Misha Moirad niet Nielish.
Misha Donald McGillarija.
Is Misha Mairead Newell Heron.
Is Misha Diana Xivnia.
Is Misha Anya Nicoli.
Is Misha. I'm. Is Misha. Misha. I'm. Misha.
There'll be quite a few occasions when you have to introduce yourself. These, for instance.
Hello, is Misha Emmett?
Hello, Jimmy Tatu. It's Mr. Sharon.
Ronan McGee?
Is Misha Ronan McGee.
Go Jimmy Tatu. There's John Shaw.
Good Maigad, a Haraha,
Good mai Gatain.
Slan,
Slan.
Patrick O'Donnell,
She?
Mrs. Seamus O'Boyle, Tarish Dahan Shaw, Patrick.
Okay, Slan. Gura Maggot. Hello, Jimmer Tatu.
Micro Magat. Misha Enda Johnson.
Shumra Hain.
Grumite.
Tá fáilte rót.
The receptionist greeted Mr. Johnson with Kajimmer Tatu, how are you? And handed him the key to room number 1, Shomra Ahian. And Mr. Johnson said, Guramahigat, thank you. Now it's your turn. We're going to show the situations again, but this time you have to try and introduce yourself before the person on the screen does, by simply saying is Misha or Misha before your name.
Hello, is Misha Emmett?
Hello, Jimmy Tatu. It's Mr. Sharon.
Ronan McGee?
Is Misha Ronan McGee.
Go Jimmy Tatu. There's John Shaw.
Good Maigad, a Haraha,
Good mai Gatain.
Slan,
Slan.
Patrick O'Donnell,
She?
Mrs. Seamus O'Boyle, Tarish Dahan Shaw, Patrick.
Okay, Slan. Gura Maggot. Hello, Jimmer Tatu.
Micro Magat. Misha Enda Johnson.
Shumra Hain.
Grumite.
Tá fáilte rót.
The Irish word for name is anyam, and when you want to ask someone's name, you ask Kajane Tanyamatort, which in some places is abbreviated to Kanyamatort.
Ja. Go Maigad. Slan.
Donald McGillarija Dahal.
Can you matart?
Michael McGillaspig, G-Tel Chorant.
Second one.
Corta.
Nearly.
Ken Tart.
Manus McClafferty.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you matart?
Adele?
Misha Derja Adele.
Can you matart?
Take my gun,
Ah, take my gun.
Remind.
Clapachosta. Caculor. Fan second. Canymatart. Ruri. Oberalachan. Anwai. Gramahigut. Slan. Slan.
Canymatort, which literally means what name is on you. Have another look.
Ja. Gormaigad. Slán.
Donal McGillavríile dal.
Canimatart.
Michael McGillaspig, G-Tel Choranta.
Second one.
Carta.
Nearly.
Can Tart.
Manus McLafferty.
Hello. Canymatart.
Adele.
Mr. Derger Adele.
Canimatart.
Take my Ganula.
Ah, take my Ganilla.
Romayagan.
Clapachosta. Caculor. Fan second. Canymatart.
Canymatart. What's your name? Canymatart.
Hi, Yaddy. Hi, Huawei. Happy anniversary.
Gormaigad a dhéardra.
Hey, Hesse.
Misha Connor.
Did you notice that Deirdre said Cé Hissa to her little brother? She was joking, of course, because Cé Hissa means, who are you?
Hi, Yaddy. Hi, Huawei. Happy anniversary.
Gormaigad a dhéardra.
Hey, Hesse.
Misha Connor.
Fáilte.
Gormaigad. Gormaigad.
Deirdre. Rashid on phone?
Hello.
Mr. Sean Hammond. Could you Matasha?
Come on.
Well, a dhéardra.
Oh, Huawei.
Now for a quick recap on introducing yourself and asking someone's name. To say your own name, you simply say Ismisha or Misha.
Misha Donal McGillavríile.
Ismisha Anya Cowley.
To ask someone's name, you ask Canymatort. In reply, you would usually give your own name and surname. Misha Thomas McGowan, or simply Thomas McGowan, Tom Smith.
Is Misha Mairead New Lera?
Cajeimar Tátu.
Gomain, is the hen?
Gomai. Canymatart.
Sinead. Is the hen?
Moirad.
Ar bhfuil at cluiche?
Kinche.
Canymatart.
Manus is to hen.
Drury.
Smisha Dianic Sivnia.
Jimmy Tati.
Go mai? Glen arall le dal.
Canimar Tart.
Anya, agus tú hain?
Patrick.
Go mai good. Slan.
Roe comes from the Irish word rua, meaning rust-coloured, the river Roe and the Owen Rua. It was a story about this river that gave the town of Limavady its name. The Irish for dog is Madu, and Limavady means the dog's leap. Other animals that also feature in place names are Baw, cow, Ellet, doe, Garan, mare, Tork, boar, and Gore, goat. Look out for them in the following place names. Again, they are Baw, cow, Ellet, doe, Garan, mare, Tork, boar, and Gore, goat. Ard Baw, height of the cow. Anachilche, marsh of the doe. Agaran, the mare. Schleefchewam Tirk, mountains of the pass of the boar. Belahan the Ngor, mouth of the ford of the goats. There are several legends associated with how Limavady got its name. The most common being that a hound belonging to one of the O'Cahan chiefs was sent out with a message in his collar, bringing warning of an imminent attack to another branch of the family at Dungiven. To get to his destination, the hound had to jump across Owen Rua. Owen, river, Rua, rust-coloured, the river Roe. It was this famous jump that gave the place its name, Limavady, the dog's leap. So far, we've seen people introduce themselves. Now let's have a look at people introduce others.
Hello, Wayne. Jimmy Tati.
Oh, hello, Hamish. Sure, Sinead. Sure, my yara Seamus. Hello, Hamish.
Jimmy Tati, you need. Go mai good.
J, Sha, O, D, J. K Hussa. Smasha Laura. K Shaw. Shaw me her.
K Shaw.
Me get her done how.
Show me her for Helen. Show me her for Terry.
Is K Shaw?
Me get her for Sarah. Miss Paul, show me her Dahi.
Hello.
Show me her for Claire. Show me her for Sinead. Hello.
Keisha, who's this? Shama Yadher, this is my brother. Shama Yedifer, this is my sister. Let's watch those again.
Hello, Wayne. Jimmy Tati.
Oh, hello, Hamish. Sure, Sinead. Sure, my yara Seamus. Hello, Hamish.
Jimmy Tati, you need. Go mai good.
J, Sha, O, D, J. K Hussa. Smasha Laura. K Shaw. Shaw me her.
K Shaw.
Me get her done how.
Show me her for Helen. Show me her for Terry.
seo?
Mi dhearfa fear Sarah. Miss Paul. Seo mi dhearfa Dahi.
Hello.
Seo mi dhearfa Claire. Seo mi dhearfa Sinead. Hello.
Shama Yerifar. This is my sister. Shama Yerifar. Shama Yerhar. This is my brother. Shama Yerhar. Keisha. Who's this? Keisha.
Ahar, father. Shaw Mahar, this is my father. Mahar, mother. Shaw Mawahar, this is my mother. Let's look at some examples.
Liam, what to chuck the walla?
Keisha. Shama Wahar.
Ah, you're a to a tattoo.
Come on, get away.
Got your star. Shama Wahar Nora. Go shot, Diramid.
Could say more tattoo.
Oh my.
Agus Shama Wahar. Wahar Shaw Marchin.
Could you tattoo?
Come on. Well, Evrich. Well, Evelyn. Kishaw.
Oh, Shaw Mahar.
Oh, Jim or Tatu.
Shama Egg Chart. Good morning, Shiv.
Go my good.
Ayadi, Shaw Kathleen. Kathleen, Shama Aher.
Could you tattoo?
Oh, good good. Aher. Father. Aher. Shama Aher. This is my father. Shama Aher. Mahar. Mother. Mahar. Shama Wahar. This is my mother. Shama Wahar.
Fathers and mothers owe their titles to their sons and daughters. My son is Mawak, and my daughter is Munyin.
Ah, Niev, could you tattoo? Go my good. Keisha. Shaw Mawak. Could you tattoo? Shaw Manin. Could you tanya matart?
Josephine.
Shama Walk.
Shama Ahar.
Oh, hello.
Oh, I'll get you tattoo. Shaw Mawak, Michal.
Oh, Via. Could you a tattoo?
Go my good.
Hello, Josie. Could you more tattoo?
Go my, good.
Shaw Munin Sheila.
Could you more tattoo, Hila?
Go my good.
Mawak, my son. Munyin, my daughter. Let's watch those again.
Ah, Niev, could you tattoo? Go my good. Keisha. Shaw Mawak. Could you tattoo? Shaw Manin. Could you tanya matart?
Josephine.
Shama Walk.
Shama Ahar.
Oh, hello.
Oh, I'll get you tattoo. Shaw Mawak, Michal.
Oh, Via. Could you a tattoo?
Hello, Josie. Could you more tattoo?
Go my, good.
Shaw Munin Sheila.
Could you more tattoo, Hila?
Go my good.
Neen. Daughter. Neen. Meneen. My daughter. Meneen. Mock. Son. Mock. Mawak. My son. Mawak.
Again, Shama Wahar.
Hello.
Shama Ahar.
Hello. Agus Keisha.
Shama Yahar.
Can you matart?
Connor.
Ah, Connor.
Shaw Mawak.
Agus Shaw Munin.
Let's watch that again. and look out for Antordu, the order, and Bimai, be good.
Again, Shama Weher.
Hello.
Shama Eher.
Hello. Agus cé seo?
Shama Yaher.
Can you matord?
Connor.
Ah, Connor.
Shama Wak.
Agus seo man níon.
Antardu. Slán.
Slán.
Gurmaigah.
Gurmaigah hen.
Tá fuad.
Tá cinse.
Slán.
Slán.
Slán Awamwi. Hey. Slán Hunter. Slán Yadi.
Bimai. Slán.
Slán.
Coffee?
Kinchu.
Well, that's it for programme 2. Next time we'll show you how to say where you live, how to give your telephone number, and how to tell the time. So until then, Gajishan, Slán.
In this episode of Now You're Talking, you heard Ismisha,
Misha,
Kanyamatart,
Jarhar,
Shamayerhar,
Jennifer,
Shamayerifar,
Keisha,
Eher,
Maher,
Moher,
Mawahar,
Neen,
Minyin,
Mock,
Mawak,